so till come here, me ever. No walking in sun so till. Oh God, the water then done when me did buy. I feel bad, my head and hot me.
Gosh, she's so hot.
You don't know say the loan place where they downtown.
Yeah.
It closed. Then me have $500 for my card. When me go down at the machine downtown, you don't know so then thief out the machine from down there. No, me go if me want the $500, me go I have to go way up the beach.
I said you playing wicked?
Yes, because then take out the machine from down there. Me when want the $500 to go to one different loan place. To go get some money. But two me not get the chance to go up there because me don't have a fear to go up the beach. Me want go one different loan place. The way me well want the money to start you out. You know say when me go to the loan place, the people them tell me say they can't give me. Why? They say me not have certain things where they require, so me can't
no
go
man,
get it.
life really hard man. I mean if I'm man, you know me hungry man.
And the whole like something them done out of house.
Yeah, then done for true.
So the little turn cornmeal, you see the little turn cornmeal when me did turn? And the little sugar and water when me did have left around there. You eat that whole life?
Yeah.
So me cannot give me now just one spoon I turn cornmeal me did get and you take a whole pot and eat it, Kayla.
I'm still hungry.
You're still hungry?
Yes.
You're still hungry? And me hear say your mama have money. I buy clothes give man. And they tell man oh say that she dead for hungry and she want money every minute she want she want this and she want that and she ever broke. All when she have money she said she not no money. The man when she there with me hear say she not start asking money every money where the man have she dey support it like a sweetie.
And I give it on?
Like a one idiot. So you know what? You go up her yard.
Yeah.
And you go tell her say me say. Tell her say auntie say. All of the money where she have it done. Yeah. And she leave and go on loan place to go get some money and it not work out.
Okay, I got to that.
The people them say the things them when they require I do not have it so I cannot get it. So me don't know what I do for the rest of the week so she can give you money.
If I get the money, I not see me out. I'm dead for hungry.
You're not going to dead for hungry on my knees. God will provide. But go tell your mama say me say not because me take you and have you. And make you live on me yard and me support you. When me not have it, she must can help too. So she will give you one money, carry on give me and make me go to the supermarket to get something to make you eat. Because I'm hungry too, you know. But nobody call me name to her and say auntie hungry, you know. Because
I don't say that.
She can't style me, you know. You try go up there and tell her if you give you
so
money.
So then I get the money?
What you mean? Call down crosses, you know, say you have goat mouth, little girl. Every time you say something happen for you. No mind if you go up there, no want to get no money. Say you go get money, man.
Me all get money.
Okay, go on. Me like that. Me like it, go on.
Yeah.
Alright, me tired so too. And I'm going to drink a whole lot of water.
Oh boy. Yes. Well, I go find people them work you know. So make sure when I come back, food cook.
You tell me say you go from people work like say you come back here with money. Me want money, and money me want more time. You every time I left you get me go from work, me not see a cent. Not a dollar. Look on me head, look on me face, look on me clothes them could they all holding on me clothes and they sitting there you come and go on like.
So hold on there. So, when me take you for money you want?
Me want money, me want money, of course me want money. Sometimes all the time you go on like say me not supposed to get dollar.
Listen to me, me are there, right? And when me work, the money coming at the house and buy food.
Me not see it. Cause nothing no come in here. Me not eat. You know how much days me not eat for? And my daughter down my auntie. I'm want to catch some money go give him as well.
No, listen to me. You left your daughter and auntie, right? The auntie can't mind him. What more you want to do? You do your part already.
I'll let you come back here smell like a girl and a drinker and do a type of thing.
And my money.
Me want it too. Me are your woman.
No, listen. Me tell you already. Me you live here. You don't need no money. Anything you want, you ask me for. You want 2 places, you ask me for. You want stay free, you ask me for. You feel like you want panty if you rat then you want the rest of me in the house. You ask me for.
If you go tell me a type of handy story me have to do it and I teach you, me have to use stuff myself when me dey on my menstrual. Me want money.
You only not true.
Me no business boy have money me want. Yeah, me know you have money for you.
Man know you jape me, you know.
Me know ya, me can't drape, me not drape you for hurt you, but at the same time,
Listen, mind how you jape me. Mind how you jape me. You hear me I say? Relax yourself.
I just touch me,
Me say
touch
no
you.
touch me. When you are talking at this place, you don't touch me on my roof this. You
You
understand?
want money and you not give me no money.
You don't deserve money until you...
All of that beat me and treat me like me a garbage.
No, it's not a garbage, it's just a chuck. I pass through the whole neighborhood, I collect everything.
So you disrespect me after everything me do for you. Me take you up, me wash you, me cook for you, me do everything. And me
Where you
and
can't
you
cook?
so
Where you
me
can't
want
cook?
money for me daughter. Me mean me want money for me daughter.
You can't even need dumpling, you use
And
it.
me think you having money for you. With all what go on, you have money and you not give me.
Me see you need dumpling, and you use the spoon chopping at the pot. I don't see you need dumpling. You use your hand and flatten it out neat.
Me want money.
Don't touch me. Me can't even snap the food. The dumpling they look like a rock bun.
Me want
Hey, me
money.
say don't touch me.
Ah, what? What you want to do? You can't do me nothing.
Man, me give you more away than last
Yeah.
night, you know. Mind your feel the fist in your face. You know.
Sometimes I tell me can't do better. That's why me even stick with you. Because you have it, you tell me all the time, you beating on my head, say, me can't get no other man.
No, there's no other man like me.
The man out there better than you. Better than you.
I still jet me. You still jet me, girl. Mind the box out your face. When you're in my house, you don't put your hand for me like that. Because when me take you up, you never know where to go. Now you have place. You chill yourself and live where you get.
Time I come. You hear me say, bust me mouth.
Go and go wash up your plate them. Go on in and make sure the food cook. I don't want no dumpling because you don't give me no wrap bun dumpling thing yam. You can't give me them the big old tough dumpling that you eat and then not to need flat. I will take this thing for. I'll make sure I come back the food hot. Or what? Yes, you know.
Yeah, I was at the after the I play big box.
What do you mean when I go on the work, man?
Ah,
Just talk to moms and tell them to go on the work. But you have big money, we don't have money.
I want no money. I work every day, so.
No, my money go one place. Two places, I'm matter of fact. Bar and the club, you know.
Yo,
Cheap.
when me tell you can't done your money, so suppose I really be come. Me not tell you if you do like me, but me not tell you if you don't do like me. Save your money.
No, listen, when rainy time come, we have yam and we have banana, we have pumpkin and everything, they can mix for that. But it's my money. We don't want nobody get none of my money. So we just spend it. I say my boss pay me rum, food.
Man, you can't live so. You can't live so. How much years me I tell you now when you not change. Rum does so damage your liver and make you dead.
Well,
Me not say rum no nice, no, because me drink it nice sometimes. And me not say club no nice, because regular me fling money for a woman.
right, we have to tip woman and tip
Yes.
them.
But when next morning, you hungry, and me can't turn to nobody, me can't ask the woman them back for money.
Why, you see everything now go work for me, I tell you the truth. I don't know about to save for nobody else, but I cannot save no money at all. It don't make no sense have woman I and save money.
That's all I get, you know. And a younger, you so much
That, alright, you see, that is the point. I'm getting older. I cannot save nothing put on for who?
yourself. You soon want to go for medication, you soon want to go to doctor regular, you soon want to buy one big fat piece. And you can't walk, you soon want to talk walk, go walk, you son get attack, you know. And a cola, you son get, you know.
Well, you're right, that's but why not pay for save? As you come in and gone. That I think is gone.
And because you gonna run bar with the pay. Bro, alright, save 5 grand a week. If you just put on 5 grand one side, that's about 3 months time. You have money where nothing, no say. And 5 grand now kill, like I just 2 flask that.
5 grand a week. 5 grand a week got too much, man. You don't understand, too much. Remember in the bar, you know, I'm paying me properly, you know. I mean, you have to pay a fare, you have to buy lunch, you have to give woman money a yard.
Boy, you want to work this case. I'm making a get woman, alright, 5 grand too much, give me 3 grand a week then. Just put on. You don't have to give it to yourself. I mean, what say I mean?
Me?
Just give it to put on.
The last woman That's why I'm telling you, I'm not save again. The last woman I give money every week. She save one day. She call me and tell me say she's sick. I'm say, alright, use 20 grand out of the money when we having a savings. She said, which money? We say, remember that we used to give money every week we put on. When we check your account, $0. Zero!
Alright.
Nothing left in there.
Alright, me understand that, but like how she have one account, I mean, you wanna build one for yourself then when nobody can go in and put 3 grand in there and just hide the card all for yourself too. I mean, you say what you say. If you say a flash today and just run good on a run
I
back.
do for myself. I'm going to find it.
You're hopeless, you know. You're hopeless.
Me think about it, but
You know, think about it every day. Me a beat this in your head, my youth. You know, say if you do like me, but at least you save your money. I mean, I boast, but every week I save 10 grand. I mean, I got 15 years now, so I'm not hungry. What remember what you did suck down? Watch out. You got your ass, you know, you're not ribs again.
alright. Yeah. Me think about it, but me not go safe enough. So me make you know how about it.
Alright, that better than none. Big up yourself.
Yeah. Because the saving part of you.
Stop on your one. You take no man.
Sitting in the basement apartment I rented
Every time me apartment feel out of it.
So I think it's a man.
Morning. Matter of fact, me can't beg your money to buy one bun and cheese and one bag juice.
Bun.
Yes, bun
Cheese.
and cheese and
Bag
bag
juice.
juice. Bag juice cheap, you know, and bun and cheese cheap too.
You know, see me as you think me from morning. I told you now, me not eating, see me as
And you want to starve yourself to buy one little
I
car.
know a little car and a big fat piece. So when me I come up in
Okay, big fast beast important than your sister Finiam. Are you?
Sis, no bother with that, man. Me can't buy a bun and cheese, but tell her, me can't make my sister hungry neither. So at least me just use my lunch, but take it. One bull and pears,
Thanks,
or
silly
bull and
little
cheese
bill.
and bag juice or something. I don't know what you want.
Come on, no, if your car important than your name.
Me not have to eat, you have to important. You see how me give my lunch money and not even say thanks. Why? I just threw my love my sister, you know. So as I was saying, Mr. Brown.
Mommy. Yeah. How are you? Nothing. See, I look so. Yeah, man. I say, good morning.
Morning.
I had to send up here now. Auntie said, the pressure the pan her, the pressure for auntie for true. She has struggled bad. So, auntie say, in here, say I have man where they work, so you're supposed to get them money. So, auntie send me for money.
I'm not going to tell her a lie. I'm not going to tell her a lie, Kayla. You get paid. You understand?
Yeah.
But you see the money when you get paid with, we have to use it through my partner.
So, why your mouth look so like it I get big?
You check me wrong time, man.
Why your mouth look so big?
No,
So
night
bad
fever.
pan-
A night fever.
Oh.
Yeah. Night
So, when
fever.
we get money to get auntie, because auntie is struggling now, I'm hungry, I'm eat for money. I'm hungry. I'm hungry for true.
Tell auntie say please do have a understanding, 'cause right now me low, me not no funds right now and him thing gonna work and something, so he soon come back.
Sure,
When
I
he
know
come
that.
back, me I promise you this, so when he come back from work, me carry money come give you, don't me?
Oh, so if I remember.
Huh?
If I remember.
Man, no, I find this lovely guy who treat me so well and he think about my daughter as well, you understand?
Oh, so you don't make me meet him?
One of them day here. Me not really a fuss if you meet him as yet because you know we fresh. So
I
we just
understand.
start out.
But remember, you can't money come back for the money. You sure them?
Me I go carry come down me too.
If you don't come down, then me I come back up here.
Alright, no problem.
Yes, because auntie has struggled. I'm like, it's a man.
Alright.
So if you play soup, so you can't carry it up, mommy.
Yeah, me I deal with it.
Oh. Hey, you girl, tap there. Who really eat bola and bags in them time?
Me say, me ask my brother to buy me bun and cheese. And my brother buy me this year. Give me $200 to buy this year.
Your brother
Yeah.
So you could
He
give him
say want
$500.
buy one big Ben, so he know they can't give me this year. He tell me have another team lunch.
I think they give you team lunch.
Yes,
I think you can give $200 and say you want to buy big beef.
yeah. That's
go
why I
walk.
say. So me asking say team big beef better than me.
I hate, because you know for your bag juice. You know how much I want for one big beef? Or for one for one big beef, you know?
Me know that.
Wait for money for one big beef.
So when you look for this stuff.
No, because you see you want
Bun and cheese.
Bun and cheese. If you give me that right now, okay, me can get bun and cheese and suffragette.
How much bun and cheese and something?
Any amount of bun and cheese you want, you get that. You just tell me.
You want it?
Yeah, me get bun and cheese and suffragette. What bun and cheese you want?
This half the 2 bills, so I want 2 bun and cheese and your bag juice make me want 1 you know?
So all your bread I give you $200. And since your bullet get so expensive,
Because of me put the price here, oh, I'm a bullet expensive. And give me 2 bills to buy and I did 100 offer, so I put on price for it.
so you can pick me a ring. Alright, you want 2 bun
Yeah.
and cheese
Yeah,
and 1 suffragette.
yeah.
You can stuff for me? Come right there, so. I mean, you can't go 20. Then you see bull and cheese appear.
So if you come, go 20.
Yes, you go see bull and cheese
So if you
appear.
come 2 hours fast.
Take your time and come and I say 1, then I say 2, then I say 3. Then open up your eye, you see bun and cheese. You have to shake your
So-
eye.
Alright.
Yes, and do it.
1,
Yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we gonna choose them there. How was this? So me really make you girl take me little food and me hungry. And my brother give me 1 little 2 bills to buy me food, brethren. Me can't believe me have to find this a girl from me want back my banana cheese. Didn't tell me saying that buy banana cheese come give me. I have to buy my banana cheese come give me.
Auntie.
Oh, why? Where the money they can already right now. I give me wait man, you know. Come on, guys, supermarket. Give me money when she gives it. Already
You know
know.
the money?
What you mean? She not give no money. She give you money a lot. Where you get bullet from her bag goes?
We just in our shop.
You really mean say you go and shop go trust bag goes and bullet and you know say me nah no money to give you to go pay for it? You sure? I show you later.
I told me I thought me trust it.
So oh God man. Whether your mother give you money or she don't give you any money, you go and shop and trust 1 bullet and 1 bag juice and you eat and drink it yourself. And remember say me and you live under my roof today.
Go get a piece.
And you me I think about you're ungrateful you know.
Come on, get a piece.
You go give me a piece. Give me. Give me. Nyami. Nyami and full your belly. You're too crave me. Eat it. Chew your mouth. Chew quick. Quick and fast. Chew it. You dry. Drink it back juice. Now that you do. And that you good for eating. Out of order. So, I don't know who see up on the road and tell us if you come up, you come give me some or what. You take time and care come, because the bag juice almost done, so me fin ambula. If you choke me, near me and make it choke you. Anything where they do to your auntie, make me do it to my niece, that's all. That's how if you go in a real life. Near me. You there? Cough, cough. Cough, cough. Go on in now. You're too terrible. So me feel look out for you. And you're not look out for me. You're ungrateful. You forgot to say my roof you're under. You forgot? You see you is a craving girl killer, you. Hello miss. Where you going?
Me go on the road go look work.
You forgot your age?
No.
Eh? You're school fitness.
Me can't wash panty and creep up yard. Still work more get money.
Look how you're big, dirty, nasty and
Sure.
worthless. You don't reach no weight and you plan to go wash people dirty drawers. Why you not say make you finish school?
You not
get
no
some
money.
subject.
You
Me
not,
not-
you not hungry, auntie.
Me hungry.
Eh.
So this I take make excuse now. All
No.
along we ain't hungry. I did one little time me sick them down in my house and now you near my teeth.
But every time you go to go work and make get something to eat, someone got to go work
No,
and make
I
you get
don't
something
feel
to
time
eat.
yet. Not
Oh.
because not in my house. And two because me did send you go for your mother yard and you say she not give you no money. Where you go do? Go look work? At your age?
You make you say alright.
15.
You don't want alright.
Yes, more alright.
So me I go work do anything to make it alright.
Kayla, me appreciate whatever you say I go do, but on your time you have to take up responsibilities put on your head. Me not trust you where you going. You not get no job, you have ID? Eh?
No, me don't need ID for wake up yard. No.
You still a talk about them the nasty word?
But that only work me can do to make her get something
Them
to
the dirty
eat.
work they left them they work they to me and me do
Okay.
them the kind of dirty work there. And me make me wash the people them dirty clothes, clean up them dirty yard and do them something there and come back and give them something to eat. You too young to think about that. Think about your school. Think about your education. What
Never
kind of
walk then.
you just say you just want to go up on the road go walk so for nothing at all. And if you put yourself in a church,
Want
people come
stretch
call me.
legs.
Them the long leg they look like they want church still.
Yeah.
Eh? One in my house. Where they go? A matter of fact, eh? Here they go?
Yeah,
You
man.
insist. You want to go up on the road, go walk. Make me feel like more exercise to come make it to go walk.
You know what walk all
No,
along?
me I come with you. I want to see what kind of work you are going to look. Full life.
Thank you, Lord, Miss. You know, say same two bills they give me for buy Ebola and something. You know, say one girl come take me Ebola, but she go give me more than one bun and cheese and sup with Jen. So me with me full self go count to 10 when
Christ.
he send me count to 10.
Where's her?
Me say one girl thief me Ebola.
Brother, I cheat, you know, me I'm getting the last money to buy bull and you make somebody thief.
I don't me make somebody thief. The girl trick me and I see. You will me not did in a mind. Carbon and cheese me did once, carbon and cheese me did a TikTok.
You give me money and you make somebody thief.
Yes, 2 bills I don't nothing. If you see let's say if you buy
I don't
a
know
big
if
Benz,
you-
you have money up there and you save
It
it.
no matter if I have money up there, so I money do me have in my pocket. I hit me a plan to buy dinner and lunch and breakfast.
Like can buy dinner and lunch and breakfast. 2 bills can buy
He
dinner
coulda
and
do
lunch
it
and
for me.
breakfast.
He could have done it for me. He could have done it for me. And
Wow.
that's why I bet.
And where would I buy? One sweetie, one sweetie, one sweetie.
He could have done
We
it
ain't
for me.
that no girl that will teach me balance.
How you are with me, little girl?
No, it one in I pink. Can't teach me balance, but
And
he
this a
go
girl that
give me,
teach her balance?
but he go give me more balance cheese and stuff with Jen.
Yes, stop that.
And then me come to 10
Hello.
and then me go shot me.
Hello, excuse me. What is your name?
My name Amelia.
Amelia. So where you know my niece from?
Me say she there walk come from out of the lane there me see her and she see me right next to me and I thought she said little girl stop and me stop and she said who can eat bulla and bag juice and me say me tell my brother say we buy me bun and cheese and something and my brother give me 2 bills and that me can buy with the 2 bills and then she say see how they look so me say where they look for him say because in the wonder who can and bulla and cheese and something so me say how you want it? She said she want it. So me say, alright, if you want it, I me give her it. And she say, alright, you have to go lock your eye and count to 10 or so, or 20. And me lock me eye and count. When me count, and he said me count slow, no, me with me eat that, so true me well want to burn and she. Me count slow. And me count slow, man. Me say when me done count slow, and me dey look. Me say, how I burn and cheese when me go see alive when me up in my eye. When me check, me no see she, you know, she vanish.
So I say you lose the bull and cheese.
Yes,
I say you lose
this
the
a girl. Yes, so me
Miss,
lose
are your
it.
daughter? Are your daughter? What here?
Where you come a question for who you?
Yeah,
She thief anything from you?
Girl, miss, let me tell you.
Who you call girl?
Let me tell you this. You see when your daughter thief from my little sister, come and go on like.
You can prove that look how much somebody on the road in a pink blood.
You know, yeah, she
Yes.
said about the supplement.
No, I never did. Me never teach no prior. I stop the life of me girl.
Hold on there. So hold on there. Kayla.
You can't lie. Are you thieving?
Kayla, you look guilty. Kayla. So the bulla and the bag juice, so me see you carry over here. Jesus Christ.
You me need hungry and mommy not give me no money.
Kayla, the bulla and the bag juice, so me see you carry over the yard.
I know some blame
You-
you.
you-
You blame me too, and I can't have no sense, you know.
How me don't have
Well,
no
if you count to
sense?
20, I expect food to come in front of you. You feel my magician? Miss, not the kid.
I thought me that she want ugly something, so some feel of course in my
Like
magician.
your shrug, yeah. Let me tell you something like this, you know.
Don't make me tell some you little bullet thief.
Me not busy, me teeth bull all I want.
You see, because I little, me will buy her back. Miss, not beat her. She just take advantage of my
Beat
sister.
him,
Cause
stepping
my
and-
sister not no sense. I feel my sister.
Me have sense, and
You
you
know,
have
you
no
know,
sense, and me
you
don't
know,
know
Little girl, look here, are your sister? And she sound like she older than you. Why she a babe so? You not listen to your brother?
How come me I listen to him?
Me will buy her back. my
So
sister.
why you attack when him attack? I saw your girl.
Because of him, say me I idiot, so him I idiot.
You, oh, you have to count to 20, I expect
See,
food
they are
to
very
come in front of you.
disrespectful. I call your bigger brother idiot.
He call me
Here,
idiot,
go on.
he can call him
You
idiot.
not have the same mother and the same father?
Boy, me no
Look
know.
here, talk to no mother about her.
Come on.
Cause
Come here.
she don't know right to take your bulla, but go on, you need to have some sense. Because you sound fool.
You can't move.
Go on. So then go on there. Let me ask you one little question. Turn on. Come right us up. I told me never want to shame me in front of them. You don't know that? Kayla? God Almighty. So you're a thief?
Me the hungry. Mommy not no money. You not no money.
You the hungry? Thunder light me you there. Eh? Thunder shall light me right there, so. The one little time when you're hungry, you act like you're dead for hungry. Eh?
Oh, she never want it. What she want? Bun and cheese. She never want it and me they want it. Me will take the bulla. Or she and my brother give me $200.
Hungry now kill you. You're too wicked, Kayla. The little girl you see with the one bowl and the one bag juice, you really tricky little picnic.
If you have sense, you will get to take it. Because nobody could never do big me that pan road. Yes, me an idiot.
So I saw a bigger one them always do to a little one them. Trick them, tell them lie and take with them things. Nyam out where they have. Oh, you know say little girl now they dead for hungry they now. See you take with the one bulla. So Kayla, the bulla where your teeth and the bag juice, you did that care come give me to me eat that.
Right.
You wouldn't digest because Franita go here so tea do that did it. The tea will start the thief would have stopped right on my throat so I couldn't go down in the name of Jesus. So a lucky thing say, me no take none of your bulla from you. Me no name thieving things if you ever do it again. If you ever go up on the road again and go thief people things and care come
But
give
she have it. She have it. She and her brother have it. She said her brother they plan to buy big beast. You know she want big beast? Plenty money and then we can call the money them.
So yeah, I read now for people
Me
things.
I not read for
Then
nobody.
that's why as so comes thief come in. Yeah, I read to where you hear she talk about her brother have and her brother have this. How that concern you? Make sure boss a pick me them.
Pick them. Him brother give him 200 for him grateful for the 200 and clean up his face and a complain about 200 and brother give him. So me take it. Me would have want that 200 there.
You want it but not yours. You don't take one that belongs to you.
I
That's
mean,
a thief. So a thief when you want to come back come thief again make you come out on the road. That's why me follow you. It's a lucky thing so me follow you come out on the road because see them out no say a thief bulla. You never there go look no work, Kayla. A chicken did that try trick me.
Me do it once, I can do it twice.
Me not easily fit text you. Kayla, you see from a female yard you there? Eh? You go after that thief. You not make no police come on the yard.
Me never thief it, me take
Because
it.
you don't know your auntie all know you know. You will go to the road, go thief, and you give them my name when they ask your direction to who you stay with, where you live, everything, and when they come, I tell them, say, I don't know you. And I just direct them to your mama yard. Whether down there so, over there so, or up there so, I just direct them to your mama yard. You hear what I say? Don't thief but nothing again from nobody.
But I never thief me thieving.
You're not supposed to be thief at the age of 15 neither.
I take me take it.
I don't like to know for your mama you take care for your papa. What make you a thief, Kayla? So you don't have nothing to eat? The one little time, oh you know say God now go provide it for me get something for you eat later.
I God provide enough for me buck up on her.
God don't send a figure, move right in front of me, God send a figure thief.
Me can't believe
Go on back in the yard. You're too wicked and lying bad. Go on back in the yard. You know so me see that little girl and me give her back $200. You're too terrible money, bull, I should have choke you. Sure.
Coming out of slavery. Yeah, we coming out of slavery.
Good evening.
Oh, yeah.
Evening.
What's so nice about the evening? Yeah. We're coming in, we're coming in, we're
I can't have
coming
a
in.
nice right now. Me boss will lick me this man in me one of me
He's
that
so
hurt me.
good, man. We're coming in, we're coming in, we're coming in. Yeah, Where you see I want to know? You ready for boogie down the place? You
I'm
cook?
not ready for nothing. No.
What are they? What are they? Wait, me just back. I cook. So, you have to tell me you sit down yes, the whole day.
No,
For your big bumbo. And I cook.
Someone if it cook.
Listen to me, look over there, sir. My neighbor have banana, cocoa, cassava. You could just jump the fence and dig up to
You not even give me money. What you expect? Me no want. Me can't dig up people place and come chop on my foot and this and shot me.
Who one knows say you go over there? Eh?
Then the people they watch and play and you know they mark don't trespass pan them land.
Hello, let me tell you something. You see,
No want you know.
you see what me for the people them hurt?
No want
You
you
know
know we
much,
have to
you know
say.
much paint and lumber meaty off of that. I make a fortune off of that.
So guy you not give me no money. I
No.
expect me to cook that shit in your man cook up. Why so? Me need money right now. Come here. You can't talk. Come here.
No, listen, talk to me. What you asking now? Talk to me, because
Me
right
know
now,
what
me
you
cross and angry kind of cook.
Come here now, honey. Come here. Me I get coke once. Come.
Listen to me. If I beg you, I beg. What problem? What happened?
Alright, this morning,
Uh-huh.
after you left,
Uh-huh.
remember somebody I beg your money,
Uh-huh.
right? And
Anwa. Anwa.
Kayla come out this morning,
Who name?
my daughter.
Your daughter.
And you say you're hungry and then no money down there. So
Look for me good.
Now look if you can give me
Look
that
for me good. Eh? Look for me good. Me look like me a picnic. Me look like me get picnic. Look for me good. Eh? Listen me.
Beg me, I beg
Me not mind no bastard picnic. Me not mind no man picnic. You mad?
So you don't take me up with the picnic?
No, me take you up alone. I don't take you up with a child.
May I beg you on 3,000?
Listen me.
Please.
What teach you something?
Yeah, me go on my knee for
No,
you. Please.
no, you don't need to go on your knee. A girl picnic? See how much? 15. Good. She can't go look work.
So you expect me?
She can't go look work. She can't go.
What kind of man you be? How you expect me picnic with a 15-year-old to go a place go work? I like you want people get locked up for him.
Let me ask you a question. How you expect, sir, them to go to school? They have to get a look day job, evening job, any one of them. For morning shift, they take an evening job. For evening, they take a morning job.
Me eat from morning, no, please. Me I beg you $3,000, please.
You know,
Please,
it's morning.
no.
I mean, if you get 3,000, I go buy fast food. Huh? I take. Me, if you idiot.
Please, no, babe. Please.
Hello. You see this? I will flatten it down. And you see this? I will level down this. You hear? So I'm telling you something. Don't tell me what you want no money, because I work hard out there. We can get fired sometimes. But I swear, serious. Because it's with just two of my friends.
Give me money. Me a woman, me want money.
Yeah, you
Me want money.
Hello. You have a woman to clean up your house.
No.
Cook.
They don't make a
Wash.
do it. If me can't get fabric softener for wash and fab, right? Me clothes can't wash. If me can't get food for buy and cook, me cannot cook. If me can't get things to clean up the floor and then sit there to make the house run and fly and then sit there. How they gonna get them if you don't give me money? You don't want me work, but yet you don't want to give me money. Me want money.
You know why you work, because I don't trust you. I don't trust you. Yeah. Like a rascal. Go on, listen. Show you. Right. What is it? Boom.
So how you not buy no shop and you just walk down and shop?
Well, I teach her all this stuff. Tell us, I carry down to go buy something, but when I go down there, I think different. Alright, teach her all this stuff. Let me talk to you now. Sis, first of all, my apologies to call her idiot. You're not an idiot. You're a very intelligent girl. But I just need to open on the feelings at the moment. And I
You
do.
want $200?
No, and I $200. The money and I matter. I don't give you anything. I don't give you every money you have. That's not a problem. But the problem is, you say you're so smart, you make that the idiot girl there, she we call idiot, that the hungry belly girl there, come take away money from you.
You
And
not
check
take your money, take your food.
no matter, I principle. You know why people are check your road, because I said some man can check you and tell us say, I'm just a tip. I mean, know what that lead to. So more you wise up in
No
this.
man can trick me. That
More
different.
at that, more you have the attitude. You know, I don't care see your road and check you neither. Can't take you take away your food. I said so you can't tell your friend them say, yo, hey guy, you that man, I regular me run program and take away food. You know want that. And then money and then food not the best. That's a principle. As I said, sorry for calling you idiot. You don't know what type of idiot.
Sir, because you idiot, you better just because you become an idiot.
Understand that good man. But the next thing come, you can't buy food at shop every day. You have to learn to cook. You have to get bigger now. You know, so you can't make a little box soup and macaroni and cheese, but you have to start buying meat food in my house and I want you to learn to cook. Ready to step on in the roll? I want to see alright with you, man. I just that me want to tell us. I just open on my feelings. So come on. Now, may I show you how to cook today?
Auntie.
What?
I need to talk to you, you know.
Eh?
I need to talk to you.
You want to talk to me?
You say Me not for thief. Can you say not to? You know why me work? You know say me got stuck in no money and now you're broke. You're extra broke. And you know why me go do no little work to carry little money? To get something to eat, can me worry about you. But you say alright, you make me heart me little. So what am I gonna do now? Me not thief nothing. Not do nothing bad. But I go for my mother, go beg her money because she had throw my partner, so she must have money. We not throw partner get out of money.
Yeah, anything when you try it, you get.
Exact money you try to get back.
Yes, and you have to give bank a fee. So if you're true, if the partner is 100,000 and bank a fee is 2,000, you know what you are going to get out of the 100,000 because 2,000 come out? 98,000. You understand? So you are going to get 98,000.
Well, mommy have to have money. Mommy have to have money. She had throw a partner, she have money. So I go beg her money to can give her for make market. Put in her
You
house.
know your mother business and I say you live.
I go she tell me what a chumpa get to tell you. You slip my mind when I come in.
So up your mother yard they go now? She go beg her partner money.
Yeah.
So you sure so she get her partner already? Because I realize you don't understand about this partner thing, you know.
But she have money for. The man at work.
Well, you see that part there? I don't want to get involved in your mother affair. That affair business whether she want to have man or man too. I'm in a business with it. So no put me in it. Look how you go say me say. So you are left now.
Yeah.
If you go for your mother, if you go beg money.
Yes,
Again.
Yes.
So every time you go up there, go the same something. She always not have no money figure. It make no sense to go up there.
No, it makes sense. I go every time because she have her man. The hope some go see her man. She have money now. What she have man for?
I don't understand this. How you up in your mother lifestyle, life relationship or whatever so?
She
You
can't
up
have
in her life,
now.
you up in a relationship, bad man. Why you want to see your mother man? And how you know say true she have man, she have money, and not everybody will have man have money. Because maybe you know every time her man have money to give her.
So
sometimes she go broke for you, but sometimes you know say she tell a lie she have you and she don't want to give it
So
to you.
what she pick up man for? You ever out alone?
Oh, Jesus. Kayla, you is a child and she's your mother. Me not teach you or break in you or broke in you, they know you whatever way you want to call it. Me not broke in you if you disrespect your mother and stay behind her back and the talk her. You see if you want to hold them a kind of conversation and get up.
I want to tell her.
Go and go talk to your mother about it. Make
So
sure
I will be back.
Kayla, if me they pass on the road again and nobody pine pan you and say you're thief, you're this, you're that or whatever.
I want thief me thief
You
last
not
time.
go like you know me call
I don't
police
thief
for
me
you.
thief. It's not thief, auntie. It's not thief. Me try to give it to me and she put it in my hand. Oh, me thief it.
Alright, I'm not thief your thief, you trick her.
Yes, trick
So when you
her.
trick people and take them things, that's how you do. Because some of them give you what that be. Kayla, if you put yourself in a no problem, no police not come haul and pull me in and say, you know, me I tell them to go on with you, you know. Or if they, this somebody where you do it to, come complain to me, me I call police for you and me not go business with you.
Me say me go for my mother. Me not thief again.
You're not thief again.
No, sir.
You just stop thief so the one little time when I want you.
Me know it embarrass me again. Me feel shame.
Shame a load but you know broke neck. Kayla, me not trust you. Kayla, you for your mother you go? You go straight up for your mother yard.
She for my mother. When I have that top, when I have that look so, now so. Straight up them me have.
Alright, go on up for your mother yard.
Yeah, so
Go on.
come back.
Go on, go on.
Please. At this yard, before you cook, I make breakfast, you go and work. Yeah, TikTok dance.
Yeah, me I try say me can make some money.
TikTok can't full of belly.
Yeah, that me see people make millions off of it.
Yes, hey, you see, one day I chat out your voice, tap on roses.
Yeah.
You do what?
Forget money. Yeah, give me money. Yeah, give me money. Yeah.
Eva, twang! Chat again. Shut it, who is that? Eh? Now what? Me carry you come here if you wash, cook and clean. That's woman duty. Wash, cook and clean. Get yourself no purpose for earth, you know. Give yourself no purpose for earth.
Me hungry and you not take care. You not take care of me. So what me fi do? What me fi do?
I can't take care of somebody that's not feeding me. Me beg you cook some rice.
So how you want walk me out all day? You beat me, then you walk me, and then me hungry. What you want me body do? Left me. What if you breed me? Not dead, me going up dead.
Listen me, mama. That not gonna happen. I bet you cook some rice and a porridge you give me with the rice. How you if you take the rice make porridge? You hear that? Eh? I tell you wash it. You take soap wash it. People wash soap with rice?
Papa, I mean,
No, hey, hold your tongue. Hold your tongue.
why you treat me so?
Because you not learn.
What me ever do to you? What me ever do to you?
Alright.
What?
Why me don't like you sometimes? When me in my bedroom and up on top the breast them will cover my face. Me not like it. Me tell you get up a morning time and exercise. Exercise your body out here dance.
Yeah, if me tell us if you give me money so me do plastic surgery on them. So you can't slap you.
Me no want, if me want plastic surgery, woman me go buy dolly.
Me can't deal with me.
Listen me.
Alright. Since me can't do TikTok, me can't buy nothing. Me can't do nothing. Me only have to sit down and cook, wash, cook and clean and grind with you. Give me money. Please, me I beg me hungry.
Mama, me tell you that my neighbor have cassava.
Stop telling me about your neighbor then because me can't go over there.
He have.
Stop telling me about your neighbor. Me cannot go over your neighbor then place.
This is not foreign, you know.
Me can't go over there. Because you know them will shot me.
There's nothing wrong, Mama. You have a whole heap of flesh. You can't take a bullet.
Please. Me I beg you.
Get up. Me tell you to sit down. Me tell you to sit down.
Me I beg you.
Listen me. Hey.
Me I beg you. Me hungry. I'll come.
Me hungry too.
Me not eat.
I mean tell you not to eat.
Please. Me I beg you.
Get up. You hear that? You hear that? You hear that?
Me treat me so.
Because you run down my pocket.
Run down his pocket. I mean, I get money out of your pocket.
One night, you call me. Trick me too. Tell me buy one bucket of chicken and keep party. Me go in a KFC. Buy one bucket of chicken, 21 piece. Coming out, you know. And you left 1 piece, Mama. 1 piece of the chicken.
Then if you not feed me, what you expect from me?
You want eat full
Me
of...
hungry at days me not eat for. Days. And then me want eat me cash and go give me that.
So you left out in the middle of the night, your KFC go get that. Unfortunately, you why you trying to be a good mother? Yes, not a good mother. Because no mother not take them picnic and put on other people.
If you don't want it, me I want me to do.
Me no want no girl picnic here.
Yeah, because you want to look me daughter.
If me didn't want to look at that, I would have make him come here. I don't want no girl picnic here, because I don't want no girl picnic tell no lie for me.
You have to go kill me, I beg you. Do. At least $50. At least $50. Please.
Buy a bulla and drink water. Because this is work for the day. Buy a bulla, drink some water.
With what?
Eh?
With what?
This. Money in him. It's spelled the same way. Every money is spelled the same way. Whether US money, Jamaican money, Trinidad money, and money them they spell the same way. MONEY.
$1,000.
You know how much is $1,000? You know how much is $1,000? Eh? You know what $1,000 can buy? Buy a bulla, pop half now. Eat half, drink water.
Please, I beg you. This can't buy.
In the afternoon?
Bulla, 150 for bulla. This can't buy bulla. This can't buy bulla. May I beg you, please, please, do me. Be hungry.
Listen, sit down, listen. You're bright. Yam that. Half a bulla now for breakfast, half for lunch, then I cook food. Make sure when we come back here, food is hot and ready.
Where me I go cook? Me not cook. Me not.
I'm here to say now cook.
Me not cook.
I'm here.
Me not.
I'm here to say now cook. Eh? You remember? Hey, man, what you doing now? Man, hey, are we... Don't run with me. Don't run with me, yeah? I'll make sure we come back here full hot. Right.
You know, say you me the walk and look for.
Yeah, what can I look for?
Because more 100 to buy one drink.
You want drinks, so you know the sugar and water for yard.
Me don't want no sugar and water, I want something acidy.
You don't squeeze lime and put in there if you don't want
No, you like not going to make it acidy, you're going to make it sour or something.
My God. Alright, hold on, pants.
You could put more money for the little $100.
More money, you'd ask you more money, sis. No,
Me ask you for $100, you should know say get enough to give me dead $100.
When me ask my boss me pay, you think he give me more money than me pay? That I pay him and give me.
I know what me they work.
Boy,
I beg, me they beg.
Then you should have beg for what you want. If you did want 20.
Because I know say you don't like give you money to your twins, so you go buy Benz.
I don't like give you money. I save me every day of my life, I get up and give money to people. I don't have no money. What year my friend asked me for $1,000. You know how much me give him? None.
Oh.
Coming down no money for years. I just give my sister and I give him money.
Oh. So you don't have no money in your pocket?
No, not for give it. Not for give it.
Not for give it?
No, for
So for do what?
To save.
Oh, for save?
You know why in a car?
Yeah, more in a car, more they drive
You know why when you carry a school, your friend them say, yeah, I see your brother Ben speak. You can't
so
carry
you can't get girl,
No,
love?
I mean, you see I wait for girl now.
Oh.
You can't give no money.
You don't give them no money, you just make it coochie.
Sometimes you can't give. You can't. You see if I'm buy car, I do anything. You waste money, like my friend.
Oh, yeah, we waste money, make sure you don't waste it on your dirty foot, girl, you
No.
waste it on me.
I give me again. You know, you have no sister. You think I'm living more than the only thing they can't give me. They can't give me nothing.
Oh.
They buy beef and
Sometimes good girl out there, no? And sometimes good girl out there.
I know them time there now. Money time I know. No time to find good girl.
Alright, me I go out, go buy the drinks, you know.
Go and do that now. You see, if you ever make a call, somebody take that things they find you too.
When I make the bike.
Your piece was nasty. Oh, for me, that's so nasty. Mommy!
Yeah.
Come here!
Yeah, come.
Come in and understand what happened at this year. Place here. How do you?
I'm tired, I'm tired.
You tired? How can I what you do?
Me just tired, man.
I said that I the veranda.
Yeah, me clean up in the house, though.
Oh, anyways. I come up here because I'm hungry. Auntie no money. Auntie brought like a dog. Me not going to school from when auntie no money at all.
Me no money either.
Hmm?
Kayla, me no money
Mommy.
either.
You see, auntie say fast me in your business. And fast me in your business. That's the truth. Oh, you have to have man and not have more money to give me when we coupe. You know, say from me I trade left me with me auntie. And from then you know mind me every time I come in no money. You say you have to partner. Give me partner money.
Me not get the partner money yet. Me not get the as it, Kayla.
Me get money from your partner.
I man, give me money so we go put it to your partner.
So, when you give the money, when you can't give me the money, me get that. Me
You
not got
can't
school
give him
parent.
money. You want him beat. You want him argue with me.
Argue with him back, yeah, woman that can't cost me than him, kind of man. Listen to me. Ah, what dear? The way you not give me off to eat, I'm come over here, I got teeth. Me got teeth. Can't believe that?
Yeah, me right now, me can't manage it nice, honestly. Like, right now, me not some pain or something.
How could I pay up here?
Me just not feel good from
You beat you?
No, he not put his hand on me. He not touch me. None that. I got that. He sent from earth, from heaven to earth just to me.
A God?
Yes.
So like
Treat
what
me
God?
good. Treat me good.
So like what God? Pray to him and give you some money.
He give me money, but me tell him he used to take care of my partner.
What me I gonna eat? Me hungry, you know?
Alright, Kayla, you know what I'm do for me? Please. Do this here,
You
man.
can't do nothing for you if I'm hungry, belly.
Listen now. Today a lotto day.
What does that have to do with me? Me not play lotto. Me want to play lotto.
Kayla, listen now.
Mommy talk. Mommy talk.
Today a lotto day.
Yes.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Me have $100 for me. $100. Me not have no money. You understand? Go down my lotto. Please. Buy quick print for me, you hear? Me I beg you. Do. Tell the lady say you want if you print one lotto ticket give you. $100 kill me not have no more money. Do buy a ticket and carry back home to me.
You don't realize that? You're wicked.
Wicked with what Kayla I want money.
Me as your, if you ever feel like me I want to cry. The way you ever feel me as your daughter. Yeah, tell me say. Tell you what don't you go buy a lot of them buy cheap and bags for my belly. You want a lot of the $100 me tell you I'm hungry. And a thief, me have to go thief people
Kayla,
bulla and
I'm
bag
sorry.
drugs. Eh?
You so understand.
So understand, man?
You so understand.
No, man, mommy, you're worthless.
Kayla, just listen now.
You're worthless, man. You're
Kayla.
worthless, you're worthless. You're
I only
worthless.
pass me want to say to you, but me can't say it because.
No, man, you're worthless.
Kayla,
You're
just
worthless.
listen to me now.
Mommy, no, me, I don't need me. I respect for me, and nothing. You say, more call now. And your auntie, and auntie, and my mother. Because she take care of me.
You so understand.
100 for woman give me 100 for go buy something. You want to go buy a laptop.
Go and go
Quick
buy
print.
letter number then no please.
Alright, you want quick print?
Yes.
Quick print I will get?
Yes.
I'll show you quick print.
Go
You
get-
go and get quick print.
Kayla.
Yep, me they go buy it. Yeah, they go get it. I'll be back.
And someone come like a crisis in my life. I don't know what it is.
Wait up.
Every time me see you, I really walk up and down. You me say they
How come my mother me I
there.
come from? My mother live on there.
Oh.
So where you come from now?
Me they come from shop go buy one soda.
I just want to apologize for me do to the day.
Me need it hungry.
You know me the hungry.
Me need it hungry.
Well, I never hungry still have to take it, so I take it
Yeah,
every
it
day.
hungry.
The older side give me tough
Yeah,
water
it
now.
hungry.
Give me juice. Give me. I don't know where your brother get you from, you know.
Girl, look at you waste my juice.
You don't deserve too much.
How much I pay your money by it? Come.
Wait till me feel like someone want to give it to you. All this.
Give me this. Me now while you. Candy. Me now while you.
Wait to me.
I poison me, gone poison you. Cock up
Poison me? You can't poison me.
Drink.
Yes.
Eat.
Yes,
Me
everything.
go write your name on Bulagi. Watch.
You feel like me done?
You done.
You feel like me done?
Oh, you know, so me don't pull the drink and put in there. So when I watch, you just drop down flat.
Yes, and I said every day make people take advantage of you.
So I can take advantage of me. Actually, me know you're hungry and you don't know it. Yeah, come drink. Come.
Boy. Oh, God.
How you run so?
Tired.
Shelly and Fraser? How am to you? How it is?
You really want to come
So
here?
you say live. Eat even me drinks.
Oh, you know no man. Oh, hello.
What you mean, auntie, them enough? Fight with them.
You can't fight me.
You don't have any manners, little girl.
Oh, even
Evelyn. Evelyn now.
morning
Sit
or
here
good
and after
night.
me first funny face. Let me tell you something. Oh, Jesus. How was you, ma?
One woman. You know, one cow.
And me, I got to?
Yeah.
Yes, you say you have no manners. Who for my fear, pa? And that me I ask you.
Who for my for me, pa?
Yes.
Who for my for me,
Since
pa?
I just feel you have more attitude than me. Come.
Male cow.
You look like you forgot how far you stand up here now. Why you run down my knees for drinks? I
Because you
say I
take
love
for
drink
the
people
drinks.
drink and left way.
Stop telling her she take my drinks.
Watch out.
A fear drinks.
And mine.
Look, girl. Come for me. Are really your drinks?
Am I drinks?
No fear
I need to
drinks.
So
take
you
drinks.
really make Kayla take away something from you again. You know, see a real cartoon? Come out of my yard.
I can't come out here, but I see my get a poison.
You're a real idiot. I'm glad me ain't related. I say you did fool. No man, a foolish baby drop over those step more than 1, 2, 3 times. You idiot. One. What do you mean she a puppy show? She a puppy show and you're a thief. You really go back and see a little girl out the road with her stuff again and
And I
take it from her?
say, auntie, she a get 2 bed tomorrow, me a thief and I had a about to be hungry. So me take it back again and show you me a bad girl.
So, what happened between you and this a little girl? You don't see nothing else where you can go do more than just thief all the time from this a little girl. Like, what happened?
Because she and man has been a
What
thief
she do
and
to
all.
you? What she do to you?
She don't know. This is the first time I do it actually me hungry. Me I come, me see this little girl talk for no reason at all. So me I didn't talk. The girl give me tough chat and I tell me about me I apologize for my teeth, you know. The girl give me tough chat. So just take your drinks and pull it and drink it. Oh. I'm afraid of her.
Kayla,
You're a bad girl.
you're a bad girl.
Yeah.
And you know it. Kelly, you know, say people were bad. Always go to some place where they not have no freedom. So you see, if you want, you know what? Me and you can tell us they don't thief because it's wrong. But if you want to continue to do it until you reach where the work figure reach, go on.
No.
But you're trying to give me name to know Babylon.
Me not go nowhere anyway.
Because me not bail no thief. Once you're a thief, you're a thief. And if you're a thief and go to jail, why me should I come represent you, say me or your auntie, and I'm here to bail you. You're going to stay in a jail and bear all the way you do to people them.
Auntie, I don't care.
Me know say you don't care.
Me not go no prison.
Alright, guess what?
Me not go nowhere.
Like you're not going to
My
prison?
phone a ring.
Make it ring.
Oh.
You know want to talk about the wrong them way they do out the road. Every time you see people picking you take with them things, Caroline alright, me tired for one you know.
And me not tap techie, man.
Well you go Africa your mother yard go stay, can't stay with me.
Me just wanna take care girl like trouble me about me a thief. I be there like if
You
I'm
see
sure
if you
and
don't want
something.
to go your mother yard go stay. Well stop from thief. You can't stay around here and
Never
take with
stop
people.
thieves.
Again?
Yes. I'm going to stop.
I'm going to call the phone so far.
No.
Come go on in there so go answer the phone man.
Yeah.
Because I can't take for your style you know. If you top take people things man and not yours. And this a damn little idiot here where you come in and me and run down for drinks. Before she give you one liquid sitting or make you buy back her drinks. None of that. Come back in me yard again. You come back
I'm
out.
sitting there money.
Eh?
The money what the woman up here with that she car.
The money when me owe the woman up the road.
Yeah.
So you want to me say Joyce have to really they call my phone. If you come ask me for money when me owe her like say she never borrow nothing from nobody yet. Well me not
No.
working right now. And me not have no come go on up a Joyce yard go tell Joyce say me not have no money until I say me not there here.
Me I go something, me I go buy. Tell Jai say, auntie say she not there here.
Eh?
If you tell Jai say you not there here.
Yes.
So me I go back and say.
So how you go tell her? You go tell her
Joyce.
how me tell you.
Exactly because I see it
Say
tell
me
her.
say me not there here.
Exactly.
You can't just say auntie not there.
Auntie never said that. Auntie say go for Jai, go tell Jai say she not there.
Alright, mix up. Go and go tell her say me not
And me I
there.
go buy something. Me go for mommy yard and she say she not no money and she only give me 100 to go buy laptop. I better go buy the laptop. Print something on it. And come back.
Kayla, please me they beg you.
Mama walk up there later.
Don't take nothing from nobody.
No,
I
me not
give
eat
them-
again.
Unless I give them give it. You hear me say?
Me know me I go this time. Me no tap take things and start beat people in.
Kayla, go and go tell you man say me nah no money. Go on and tell
Okay.
her say me not there here.
Auntie not there here. Okay,
Me not
fine.
there. You
Right.
look like me there.
No, you not there.
Go and go call up my name and you will see.
Yeah. Coming off of the slavery.
My prayer now.
I tell you.
You try to make our money so today.
Yeah. Hey, you see about 6 pounds of pain.
I want people now.
Woo!
Boy, me not encourage you for thief and about me encourage.
No, listen. You now pay good. So you have to do look side hustling.
Me not tell you for thief. But me not tell you for no hustle.
So how we are going to survive in that country?
No, me not say nothing. What me I tell you for do? Start Monday. Save at least one I paint money them do. Save one I paint bucket them money.
Ah, we let them both save.
Save in his life. I know where you make or where you save.
No, you're in a life, you can't save nothing again because the bank alone a thief from you. I say you put in at the bank, I say the bank go with it. Remember, that's why I tell Bossy to pay me to the bank, you know. Give me that envelope. Because every time Bossy pay me 15,000, how much will you get the last time? Because I didn't work enough days, I did work about 3 to 4 days.
Yeah.
15,000, bank take 500 out of it already, right?
Yeah.
And then when you draw the money, tax come out of it, right? No really left in that. That much I show you.
Yeah, alright. You understand? You don't have to save your money at bank. Save it in your house. Save it, give somebody.
With the woman them here over there.
You don't now give no money. You now go for you see no money. Because every night you spend your money at rum bar. So you now go to see no money. Or you just make excuse now. Suppose one day, God forbid, you go work and you drop off a leather. And you, God forbid, me say God forbid, me say God forbid.
I rebuke
You
that.
drop off a leather and your foot not broke, but your foot sprained for 1 2 weeks.
Insurance money that.
They not get no insurance. They not get no insurance.
That dirty dog them, man.
They not get no insurance. And you depend on your own. That 2 weeks they not have $1 off. Your woman not work. And you not even have 2 bills in your pocket differently. So how you go survive 2 weeks?
Well, me can't go borrow the money.
You can't borrow from me. Let me tell you that, because I don't have no money. And me don't know who else I will lend you money, you know.
So you couldn't help me if me want to help.
Me can't even help myself. You don't see me there.
If you encourage me to save, that means you are saved.
Me a save, but me a save.
See? Don't let me.
No depend on my saving. Save for yourself. You think me can't save you? If you are John, me can't save you. You have to save yourself.
Oh,
Me, you know what?
oh, me save myself from there, John.
That me I tell you.
Me can't swim. How me gonna save myself
Our
from there, John?
example, me I show you. If you in a water, John, me can't save you. Because me only can swim to save myself. I said thing with the money, me I save to save myself.
No, you can't save for help others. God said, do good to others, do good to people, and good come to you.
I said, God said, if you feed a lazy man is a sin. You can't help those who not help themselves.
But me help myself, me work.
Yeah, work for you not save.
Oh God.
Brother, if it's even $1,000, $100 out of every $1,000, you're alright. And you know must happen. You know must, you know, your foot no must sprain. You can work every day of your life and God give you perfect health, but you know must happen. That me I tell you.
You know.
So one to half year, you know not pick me.
Me no want no picnic. Me no want none picnic a stress.
Oh, you know what me I want to look at sister.
Picnic a problem. You see what's girl picking it? Girl picking it, if you don't have the money to maintain girl picking it, I tell you, then look at cherry I go pluck before time. Because friend I go encourage them to go sleep with man to get money. I mean no want a girl picnic, because if I get a girl picnic, I go file my shit. Me I go follow them clock. Me I go make sure me put them at school gate and me go back for them. I when a high school. Me put them at school gate, me go back for them. And me stay up on the compound because they can have sex in the bathroom. Some of them are hide and have sex in the bathroom. Back in the days when we used to go to school and that happened. You see our teacher, some of the teacher them are mingle on the picnic them too. You see, especially the coach. You see the running team them, the coach them are perfect.
I know lie, you tell you no.
Them promise the poor little picnic them. So them are going to go and find go run, but them have to just give them some of the little coach and they will make them be the best and give them upper hand. And that happen. And that them are do. That's why I say I don't trust myself to get no picnic because I would have killed the teacher. I would have murdered them.
You have some good point, you know, but you can't make life so. Me nah no picnic right now, you know, but me have a little sister. And grew up with me and you have quality and me take care of him now. You know say what day? You know, you can't do nothing yet, you know, but me have take time and show him the ropes. And I give me freedom because he's a bright little girl. Intelligent, but what day I want girl, keep some money from him, you know. And me have to tell him, no money, keep some food from him. And me have to tell him in a lie, say, sis, me have a defend at the end, and we get anything now, but you have to learn the road. You can't make girl not take what things from you. So you have to just have faith with them, and you see him go on good, you know.
Listen to me.
You see that girl could have teach something else when him again from one time into you something mad man.
Listen to me.
I'm train my sister, so.
But I'll show you something. You see, girl picking it, it's not easy for you to girl picking it. You can't sleep at night time because you feel one that them jump through the window. A matter of fact, our parents wrong. Me not get no picnic, but me can tell you say our parents wrong. And you are sure our parents wrong. Yes, when parents have them girl picking it, then put them in a battery rider from them a picnic. Mini skirt, expensive clothes. And yes, when them picnic start grow up, then continue with it. So when they catch 12, 13 out, they don't want no little riff-raff now, you know. High class food they want, and high class clothes, because of that them broke them, you know. Poor people broke them picnic bad. I mean, I'm going to tell you no lie. You see rich people, angle them picnic like how we angle for picnic.
Nah, sir.
A strict rule them under.
But all of that being said,
That's why I tell you, say, you see, we the poor people stay poor forever because we follow foolishness and we are trying to run now. We pan cartel party now. Big old 30,000, 50,000 we going to want to show. And you want to tell me, say, you see my cousin, he has 6 unwanted picnic down there. No father. Huh? About 5 of them are different father. I must say one man get 2 picnics from him. And the woman take the money to buy ticket and all know none of the picnic never have school.
God.
All know September start, now October. None of them know what school because she purchased ticket in a September. She buy ticket.
No, she can't do that. Can't tell me artist, you know.
Am I artist?
But me not take money going show. And my little sister have to go to school. And me have to buy a big fat. No, I'll tell you something.
Make sure my food cook. At home, me there near. Me there right at the lane. Me soon come to you.
You have to treat your man better too, you know. You have to treat your man better too, you know.
Sure.
If you give him money, man, you can't just... You can't.
No. When you give woman money, then take him man. You don't do that.
You're pretty different, you know.
No. When they not worth it, you don't give them money.
So you have to live with her and she not worth it. You're an idiot then.
No, me I try to train her. Me train her. What you say? She not learn. She not learn.
No, when you chat to your
Me beg her cook rice or porridge me get. Me beg her wash the rice or fab she a use washing. You want to look at me and tell me say me should have tell him to rinse the rice. Rinse the rice. If you never go around in a machine in your tray, you know. In the washing machine, she not used to nothing. You come like say, to breed for the young, in mentality, or what they want to call it, mash up.
My God. Yeah, straight too much right point. All me can say, save your money. I call right now, we go up at hurry, every time.
You know,
save your money.
You
Save your money. Save your money. Because when your foot broke, me not have no dollar to give you. My sister hungry right now, and me not give him no money. He must learn to cook. Unless my sister alright.
You talk my phone. Hear it? I hear the talk phone. You cook? You cook?
Oh, me a cook for.
You cook?
Cook what? You want me to cook? You come back here, come take set for me. Call them a people
Yeah.
live love.
You cook? You cook? Yeah, what man?
Where you lick me
You
for?
say you dump up me woman because you don't want to cook.
Me not cook. He not feed, not let money, he not do nothing. And every day you gotta drink, gotta enjoy yourself, and me there hungry.
On here then. No man, me have to mash him up man. Alright, let's go pick me up, because me a beat
I
man.
want dirty man before I come tell a dirty friend to tap.
Alright, yeah. Alright. You not cook?
Yo, I tell her sometimes
You not cook?
you know.
You not cook?
What you do?
How are you?
What you do yourself?
How are you?
I'm the mother of the killer boy. What you think you do? Kick her one more time. Kick her one more time. Kick her again now. Kick her. Kick her. Me say kick her.
No man,
Kick her now.
Regular window.
Everything good.
What you do?
No man, everything
Move
cool.
on, go on, man.
The whole time you are coward. And me and her strength
What
fat.
about that umbrella come beat my mother?
Oh,
Go in.
we shall book again, eh?
We not, but no way.
And what you gonna do? What you gonna do about it? Do something about it now? Lick her back. Touch her. Touch her button. Thump it one more time. What you do?
Alright.
My warning.
I shall book. Yeah, you have to come in here.
When? When?
What's a fool?
Bad.
Where? Me gonna beat you? You not temper, you idiot?
Can't understand every day that you do. I eat me not no money. You buy ticket.
Yeah, you about to give me name the money there. And name me name that. For everyone know me name me.
You know why you would do that and I mean we are all.
Come me hungry. Me hungry. And that give me the energy to come turn up on your man. Take enough to thump on your man. Look at your body big. Sit down on your man, scratch him out. Look at your skin, look. Watch it. Jesus Christ.
Beat me
So you hear that, mama? Me they go tell auntie everything. But I'll stick it.
Do no good on the go tell you. Auntie nothing care.
Where's the man?
Kill no good on the go tell you.
Yeah,
auntie,
sense.
not good on the go say nothing. Ma, she had bring you out of proportion.
Without proportion.
I just little bit, you know, let me kill
Every day the man a beat. Every day I come your sad. Eh? When I come your lip a swell up. No more like man pumping in your mouth or box up on it.
He never lit me that day there.
So you man like me see me see man at that tip. Yeah, idiot. You think the white can beat me? The white can beat me and me student know that. Yeah, sense? Why am I give? Why am I give? Can I give money? Why am I give me can't tell him? No man, that's almost why am I give?
I'm a weird old me a child. That's
I saw have their pants a fool you. Ta fool you. I ta fool you, sure. This why ta fool you cut off your and carry with you. Okay, now no sense. Can me say if I make man a beat you, just big and dumb.
me no please.
Come with who?
You can't leave me.
Hello, me got my auntie. Hello. When you can't become my auntie, then me a treat you and let me a go pick up man. My girl. Tell me who. Hello, tell me who till who gone.
Kayla, please.
Yan him have it up, take up something and beat him, your woman, your body.
Kayla, please, no.
Tell him how to easy, man. Take one that back man up here beat you.
Kayla, leave me, please.
Hello, I up here so me see you, I up here so me then left you. Tell me say I'm gonna beat you. When I idiot. No man,
Crazy man will kill me.
No sir.
Lord, kill me.
She got no. She got. Around putting your bright. Cause she was.
No, man, you're not no trend. I want beat that you beat.
Eh? You want to open up your mouth? Go in.
Me not go.
Go in, go come on backside in. Go in.
Go with one. Me not go. Why? Me not go. Why me go cook with?
Go in.
Auntie? Auntie, why? Put it on. Me have big news to tell you. Put it on. Baba go for the woman already said me no come there time for she. Cause she love beg to you. But me I tell you say you won't believe what I go for mommy and the man a beat him. Me go see the man a give him some kick, thump, box, everything. But I must say me no bad girl you know. Me a coward now. Me say me jeep up me hand see him and me look for the man you know. And me say thump her again. You know thump her again you know. I man I want to know how my heart a beat. Come here say Jesus can me know what heal me because me can't fight it. But me a try bat my mother. Me try bat my mother. But mother not say I'm give her. Me have to give her 2 slap too. She don't sense neither.
What?
Slap my mother.
You put your hand by your mother?
Yeah, she don't sense. Every day I go up there the woman look
Look in your hand,
depressed.
which hand you use back, sir?
That one yeah.
Looking at it. Where's the mark in there?
Me see not marking there.
Bad blessing and curse that take you.
Eh?
You're not supposed to put your hand by your mouth.
She not no sense. She up there make man a bad abuse her. Nah give her no money. Nah give her nothing. Nothing at all. Me not even go buy the laptop. Me no buy nothing what she said me go buy. Me take the money and name the money. Me no buy nothing. Can't believe so the man a bad abuse her up there. A young man dashing and cocoa in a one that. She not no
So
sense.
the man give you, who you say give you money to buy laptop? The
My
man-
mother, $100.
And you near me?
I mean, yeah, me.
You're the thief from your man too.
No. You better me thief from she because she never mind me from your tree, so me a thief from her. She's too bright. No sense, no. Big idiot. Me can't believe. I see you make man beat you. See you make man beat you, so?
Taylor, you rank with me?
No, me ask you.
So from you there so much years now. You see any man come in and so come put their hand for me?
No, but me only find this a road and you hide it like how
Which
you
road?
hide it.
You're mad.
Me don't know.
Yeah,
I mean, I understand how she not no sense. She mad, man. She mad.
I continue the conversation there with you, you know. But I know say the money which she give you for buy the laptop, maybe it would have make you live a better life.
No, the
Yeah,
man
yeah.
that take the money, cause the man, look how mommy big you know, mommy big you know, and we make the little maga long foot boy beat him. When sit down pan him with her big self. You see what I sense? You get the body and know what to do with.
But
Make a
the
live for me.
man no have no sense neither. Cause look how you favor string in and the man turn up and make you rush him.
Yeah. Me
Really?
a bad girl.
Me know.
More bad after today. Can you run from me? Me never bad before, but me bad now.
Bad friend today or after today.
For after today.
Okay.
Bad now. Maybe anybody, anytime. All you think you're bad ramp with me.
Hey!
They get joke.
Bossy, me like how you're bad. Come here. Who you this one? Who you? Go in the house. Yeah. Who you rank with your rank your damn bright. Out order. You know what? Come out here so to me back. Come back out here so. Take your rake and rake up the yard. Let me show you badness. Go rake up the yard. Rake up the yard right now. Rake up the yard.
You have to beat me now.
Rake up the yard, man. Rake up the yard. And when they don't rake up the yard, they see them 2 pieces of where they don't that's what me did a plant. Go finish plant them. Come, make yes, rake up the yard.
I can't mess with
No man, you're a bad girl. Bad girl must sweep up yard and go in a ground, go plant yam and dashing and banana. This is say you're a bad girl.
Don't say, that don't say.
Alright, give me a rate now. Come, go down there so go plant it. Dig out the hole. One! Oh, Tada. Bright thing, go down there so go plant the banana and the planting them and the sitting them on the left down there. So if you walk in a sun, if you go and go market, go sell, go give you sitting fin and you come chat boy, you're a bad girl and you will beat me too. You're mad. Mad now what?
I go from home and come back.
I won't have to make a visit up a your mother so.
The man a beat her, me like how the man afraid of me.
Yeah, police?
No?
So, no police if you call, why she call you or you go up there for your own?
Me go there for my one.
They might get where they look for. Anyway, Miss Badoman, make sure you say that little girl will come here, come report, say you take away our juice, don't come back in my yard.
No, she not come back. If we teeth not up again, me beat her up on the road.
So, can't bother enough.
I say me bad now.
I don't want to see back the little girl in my yard and say
I'm a
I'm
top
like
thief. No bad girl.
Yeah, you want me say you're not going to do? You're not going to like it and she come back to me and tell me say you take nothing from her. You hear what me say? Go on up to your mother and make sure you straight up there go and don't stop
Oh,
and
okay,
idle
go.
on the road.
You have to say auntie. You feel like you're too much active.
Why? To keep attacking them again?
Yeah, every day.
Of course.
See, you to the top.
No, me can't stop him. But anytime you stop the way you do, my stomach will stop hurting me. Because you are a problem. Go on.
Yeah.
Go on up to your mother.
Me I go on, man.
Don't take people things too much of the time and make sure you say you know make the little girl come down and come warn me again about you. So I'm not gonna like it.
Are you may come now?
Come on, go tell sun too hot.
Are you may come
So
now
ask.
and the ground up?
Up at your yard, me I come. Yeah. First if you man a beat again, everybody move and get money. You know up there. Cause afraid of me say we give me money.
So I tell me say you afraid of you and afraid of me.
Right.
Anyways, yeah, you know that man there, man will lick you down, kill you man.
I thought you can't lick me and kill me. Want me tough up and
Anyways, Kayla, me not in a video.
What?
Me what when I tell the auntie that what happened up there.
I tell her. And now she said me not to come in your business. Me a pass me your business.
Right thing she tell you. Although me know when you see me, I have a mouth phone. But anyways, what I want you to do for me is, Kayla, last time I said I go buy a laptop. You did not buy it. And I'm way
I'm very full now.
I am looking my way
My auntie
out.
have money. My
Okay.
auntie have money.
So please do. Go buy one more ticket then for me. You understand? Tell lady to print out all that ticket here.
Alright.
That time ago. So come.
Alright. No, me they go do.
What?
Time not late yet. Me I go up the road first. If we wait till people go up the road and come back. They go buy it.
No matter, just make sure you buy and spend me money.
Me they go buy it. I don't show you. No reason buy stuff for me. No. Me reason buy stuff for me. Reason buy stuff for your man when they beat up your daytime when they tip on you.
Kayla, have respect, me still a man. Go on.
Go
I
on,
want to
man.
have on Pan Road.
Ah, yeah.
I auntie make you left your yard so.
Yes, she not business.
Go in back to Pegadua.
Make it stay. Hello, how are you going today?
No, you're good. I went to meet some friend.
Since we start tea from you, what is that drink? Give me. Let's have it thirsty. It's always so calm.
No, I just become a youth sweet, maybe so calm.
Say that to the brother.
No time for that.
Say you're good.
Drink coffee now.
What are you to drink for?
Just drink coffee, I like it. I'm thirsty. Let me go buy one mug here, some. Drink up soup, man. Come.
Stop now. Say so calm. They can't be true.
What do you make your? What do you belly?
Whoa! Jesus!
Yeah.
What's it like?
Oh God, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. Oh, yeah. You learn a lesson.
Little girl,
Hmm?
why you stand up here so? Where's so much bush there? And who you talk to over there so? Where your brother? Why you alone up on the road?
I walk. Me there walk. I'm see something. I'm stop.
You can't see you stand up here so I don't see you walk. Where you there so I do? That may I ask you.
You know say. I should me there. Watch you wait and see.
Eh?
I should me there watch you wait and see what go on.
Me not sure.
Murder.
Taylor! Where in that bush I do?
You don't cheat now?
Use the style it. Style it over there, sir.
Die bush and you usually wiping back. Murder.
When me I do on the road? What you are doing in a bush?
You will learn.
Take the girl drinks and run me belly.
Yeah, man.
You come back and take something from her again?
Yes, me did
Every day
tell
we
you,
see, every day we
fight
take
me,
it.
man, make me go running, you go running there.
And you
Yes,
sound
I
bossy when you
see.
talk about it. Suppose you did kill her and make she go
Me
in the
not
hospital.
here, if it that drink.
But you there prison and she there hospital. How you da feel?
What do you feel now, we?
Come on.
You wicked and you a thief.
You?
Go on in the yard. Go on, little girl. Go on to your brother. Come in and know for your mind. Come. You.
Come and lick at the face.
Hello. Nobody with the fighting. You know what? Nobody.
Lick a bush.
Alright, make you see. Are you wrong to take our things? That's why your belly are run. That happen to people who love their belly. Come carry me over your mother yard. I want to see your
Where's
mother.
my mother for now?
I want to see your mother today. Anyway, she there with up on the road over her yard. I want to see your mother. Can me go?
Woo. Oh, God, what a relief. It's cool off. I was happy I met you, chocolate. Come on, there.
Then me have your man that talk to me, you know they here.
Hello.
I want to know.
Alright,
You
listen to
buy
me now.
something?
Me wait till I'm done talk, then me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, hear me now. You leave her and do away from she at 3.
Mm.
Now she at 15. That means at 12 long years stay in my yard. You no respond back. You no respond. You no do nothing. You act like I don't feel pity, but that's not no problem. Me understand is my niece. So me take care. Me take up all of the responsibilities for my head. But you see, if you know, for the rest of her life, we she in a parents or guardians or auntie support. Take up your feed me, please.
No.
How she take up?
Me
Take up
can't.
the full responsibility right now of she because
You
guess
do
what?
Can't
The aunt if take you up because guess what? Me can't manage no more.
No more what they at me, so.
Me can't take him.
I
Oh, who they ask you to take
Yes,
me?
if I could, you say me could take her. Could have take her a long time. Me can't come here.
So, auntie, I put me on.
Hello.
The man where me live in now. want
Me
him.
understand. Don't worry yourself. If she hungry, just come on me and feel like
And I hunger.
Me tired of it.
And I
Me tired of it. Number 1, she thief. Number 2, she shit a bush. Number 3, everybody she see her road, she disrespect them. Everybody a complain how she not no manners. Everybody they chat I know her father she take off her mother. Then me have to take off for you. You understand?
What me do? What me do?
What you did do them missing?
What I do wrong?
The clothes me they ask him this morning me see him.
Auntie never pay me with it. Auntie agree.
And me ask him what then the inner.
You the ask her what she in her? And me ask her where she get it from and she tell me say you buy gear one day for your
Me
birthday.
buy your clothes.
I lie with detail of mine.
Me have money if you buy you nothing.
No. That's why auntie shouldn't believe. Auntie head a go.
Me da go?
Yeah, get the money.
See there? One next one funny that a number 8. She lie.
Candy, please. I beg you. You can't come. I tell you, you can't come.
So hold on. Even though I'm a niece, me understand. Remember it's your child.
I'm my child, but you cannot come here.
So
Oh, I
the man
mean,
the
you're
way
already-
they with her who? Where her father there?
You don't know. You don't know.
Grandfather.
You know her father? Jesus Christ. So,
I want a junk night me get you.
so you go make she grow all her life and I don't know daddy?
Oh, if you know daddy, I mean that if you can't remember the man who breed me.
Take time talk. And she may not have me can't talk so loud. Alright, that's why me stand up and I feel shout out so
Me
loud.
couldn't help it.
My mother do not know my father.
Stop it.
Why I slap her so hard?
Why you there?
No wonder why she don't
Slap
want
your
to
man. Slap your man. Slap your
Abuse her.
man.
Look there, the two of them
Slap your
fight.
man.
Mother,
Hey.
daughter, they fight. What kind of
That's
fight is
why
this?
she don't deal with you side way because you're not
No,
put
she
her
can't
in
put
a
her.
manners.
Me, not put her under the
Yeah, baby him.
Me not
Baby
baby
who?
her. Me not baby
Then
her.
why you dey talk about the slap for me? Give this big old girl back girl can get slapped.
No, look what happened right here so little while now.
Then that's why you keep
Mother
keep him.
and daughter fighting. Is that right?
We not
Me not stay up
fight.
here. Me a come with your auntie.
Keep her.
Can't tell the man. Look up at her nasty place. Man, turn on your clean.
You can't come here, can't come here.
Look up at her veranda.
Me have say something.
Me have a plan, you know, Kelly.
Alright.
Listen, now, me have a plan. Me have a plan. So as soon as the plan they come true, if it come true, me take it.
I wish here it all come true. 2024 or 2025
Just
or
give me
2020, 30.
Just give me a little time.
Time.
Mm-hmm.
You
Yeah,
know,
tell
rope,
them.
you know, don't
You
you know, say time longer than rope. I am asking you a question. Did you know that time longer than rope?
Nonsense. That's what
Okay.
you are.
Anyway, let me ask you one simple question. I need you to answer me the right way.
Right.
And about with the disrespectful style.
Okay.
You know, say me and you not in that when it come down to no manners and indisciplined child and sitting. Listen to me in the aggressive way and the disrespectful. Listen to me, man. This is your mother. You remember that? Why you always disrespect her?
Cause she don't mind me.
Hold on. Me gonna make you have time to talk. Why you always disrespect your mother? I say your friend them though?
No, she's not my mother. She's my auntie. You is my mother. You're the one that take care of me from those tree. I have manners to you. She don't take care of me.
No.
Go on, listen.
See you, man.
See, man.
I'll
Good day.
beat mommy.
Good days.
Go on, listen. Did you tell us you can invite over people?
Candy.
Did I tell you you can invite over people without my request? Did I tell you, sir?
Auntie, please no.
You could have invite
That's why
over
me tell her, say,
people.
no, can't-
Eh?
You can't come here.
You could have invite
Me
over
tell you,
people,
say
yeah?
you can't come here.
So why they still here?
But
Why
me
them
tell you,
still
you
here?
can't come here. I mean, tell her.
So, this.
Excuse me, please, and thank you. You can shut up a few seconds and let me talk to her.
In my own house.
Yes.
Yeah, woman.
Well,
Hannah.
right now, you need to shut up. As far as I'm concerned, the relationship here between you and she, it looks sticky and it looks stink.
No.
I say you deal with her really well,
I thought she forget cheat when he don't have no sense.
so she forget what?
So he forget cheat. So
Say I'll
but
cheat
even
on
when-
her too? Or
No,
treat? Which
treat,
one?
Treat.
Cheat or treat?
Treat.
Oh, treat.
So he forget treat. Because he not do what he do. He not cook good. He not
Me
wash
cook,
good.
me wash, me do
Look on the
everything in
veranda.
here.
Look on the
Everything. Every day you take me and fling me and beat me and do all that but with me. How you expect me
Look
to
on the yard.
me not even feed me.
This
me
is
not even
totally disrespect. I saw no baby when no neighbor and make them have everything about you know sister.
and him.
Who?
And that's why
Why you
all I
always beat her?
can't
Who you
stay
say
here.
is a woman beater?
No, we work hard.
So why you choose to deal with them kind of man
Me
here?
can't let me threaten me, tell me how much he might kill me anyhow me go nowhere and then every night he beat me.
So you want me to get the police involved? Me see you're afraid
No,
and you're
man,
afraid to say
everything cool,
it.
man. No police
Eh?
don't need to involve in that. Everything
But
cool.
all when this is a domestic affair, me no care. Me in a it talk, me a part of the family. This is my niece.
She, nah, I learned to do nothing. Me make her wash rice, she use fab wash rice.
I
In
lie.
that machine,
I lie. Me cook the rice. Me cook the rice and he throw a whole
Miss
hot
Funny,
pot of rice
where
for
say she
me.
do?
She, we tell her to go wash the rice, she throw fab in the rice, and I wash it, and look like
I attempt to throw in a machine.
throwing in the washing machine.
I lie, ma tell him, me cook
So-
the rice and he throw a hot rice for me. See that my skin burn up. I lie, ma tell.
So all I feel are a film pot them. Big like one machine till you don't realize
I lie,
how
ma.
pot look different from a machine.
I lie, ma tell. And him chose for me.
So I tell Panar.
Oh,
No, I
You.
true. You can't cook.
she cannot cook.
I true. She can't cook, you know. She can't cook. I have it.
She cannot
Oh,
cook.
you know, you live here.
No, it might not tell lie.
I,
Make sure you stop disrespect your mother like that.
Me not respect my mother.
Listen, you don't come up here to behave like that. Don't do that.
I buy her turkey neck for cook. And she turn on the
Today,
stove and
you
twist.
can't say she's afraid of you. Why you always treat her like that? This is not nice, man.
Big boy.
And she is the reason why me have to beat her all the while because
So you admit it now?
Yes.
No,
So you beat
Me
her?
all the
You know
time.
who me to she?
no.
Eh?
You beat me
You
all the
say,
time.
oi, Oh, hello.
Yeah.
You know who me to shit?
We can't work out this, you know.
Yeah.
One day if you know say my this, that mean my sister this.
We can't work out. We can't work out.
So you an idiot, you made. Up here they take it from man and now tell me. And they hide it from you all along but say yeah. And you feel good I say yeah. Like you get something out of the yeah.
Beat him.
No, listen, we can't
Hello,
work
sir.
out. We can't work out.
Me
And I walk, what kind of work you do? I walk with pen like you're a businessman.
Me work
Take
on
this
it.
figure your school, you don't get it back. Who you? Okay, no. So hold on there. Who authorized you? Who give you authority so you can beat no woman from God earth?
And she said if we love her, if we beat her.
Me, I lie.
Yeah.
So you're one of them the woman that
I lie. Every time me ask if the money, he beat me. I lie.
Hold on. Stop it shouting. You talk like
If
you
you prove me love to her, me have to oh.
So you are one of the woman that will say if man beat you, they love you. If they don't beat you, they don't love you.
I lie.
Come here.
No, I swear, no.
Butu.
I lie.
Butu.
I lie.
No. You idiot. So you thought a fool.
Okay, I'm checking me. Check me, say, I'm cut me.
So you make this idea to they beat you. Why you truth look out of attacking God truth now? God almighty, my sister. Out of all of the man them pan God earth. And this is when you choose to come beat you. Look how you dress.
Me tell her what I do.
How
You
dress?
video me.
Look how you dress. No,
You
look
video
at the
me.
kind of dressing. For you see them kind of dressing upon them, man. You know, see a red flag.
You video-
And you in a red shirt and you know color.
He video me on the phone and I beat me and I do whatever with me. And say anyhow me left him. He might let you out and he might try to kill me.
Me? Do
Yes.
that? What's my
So that you do come here.
No,
Come here.
no,
Come here.
no,
Let me
no.
tell you something. You see
No,
this sister
no,
here?
no.
She never tell you about one sister where she have and her sister head cheap. Her sister head no good.
No, what's my about this?
Every lick when you lick him back.
Yes.
No!
Lick him back.
I lie!
Yes.
Lick. What is
I
it?
lie!
They go on over then. Me and come and fuck me I boss.
You
You not even feel
panic.
it. Go on over. Oh, turn up on me. Where you go? Sit down. Sit down and take it. Go on over beat him. Beat
Relax,
him.
no! Relax, no!
Beat him for your mother. My boss, we must stand up. Me not fit throw and no lick. We throw on beat him.
Relax, no!
Beat
Relax,
him.
no!
He want more.
No!
All I lick them. And what kind of lick that they are damn idiot? You idiot. Put on one more upon the boy.
Remember saying kick him back.
Lock him in the house. Lock the door. You can stay in there.
You can with me.
No, we're not yard.
Where's it?
Where?
Where's it?
On the night and with me.
Me?
So,
Me? If
I
me
joke
stay
now,
with you,
right?
I joke with me.
Yeah.
You want your man.
no, you can't do that. Oh, you have to make me beat him and then make me stand there.
Can you hear that?
Listen,
What's the chat?
why you that talk now like your food and see a beating ass for a while? No, you go afraid there and no go back in.
Fred, I wasn't no gun, he jump
You
on
can't
me.
do it, you go afraid there, you know.
Turn up on him.
Give me it.
Listen.
Give me it.
What?
Listen.
Take it.
What's the kid? We need the money.
Look here. Come here. Not talk to your daughter, you talk to me. You see the boss ass where you just give him? He have to love that, satisfy with that, and
Just stand
appreciate
with me
that.
tonight.
No, listen to me. You can't do nothing. Go afraid to touch your kind of say I want to see your
Nah,
sister.
Fred.
What me say?
Turn up on him. Go some messy.
What me say? You see, anytime now, I know so. Anytime he come up and I go like him a bad man and he don't want to do nothing for him, I just give him one when I style like this. You know? And you come back again. And if he go on with himself, I just go so. And you give him one sticky wine. What me say? And in top, I need that you don't see a cartoon. Big dress. Big
Yeah, my mother might
You can't do nothing. Anytime you come, remember if you do so. You do see again. And I said, no mind chop, you do so. You can't do nothing and then you just give me muscle wine. And you just start, give muscle wine. Muscle wine. Oh, you mean, go in the house, you're not yard. Mr. If you go in the house, don't have yard can't hold.
Me take mommy bag and
It's a 3/4 bed down in yard and me and your daughter sleeping down there.
One in, man.
Not even one man me can't come there. She then go interfere with her because she underage and so some dirty man stay. So go on in the house. So you act like your friend. Look how much years you live with the man. Just go in there, man. Go in there, man. Just go in, man, and just stand up like this and say, oh, you can't do me nothing again, but if you shut your back, just take it.
Yeah.
Please.
See that, yeah?
Please.
Call him and make him out
How
come
make
for
the
you.
man feel so we are idiot? You have a bad girl family. Remember say
Go
you have
on, man. Let her come here, auntie, man.
any idea, nothing, just give me a phone call. Go on in the
Come,
house.
auntie.
I want you. Go on in the house.
Go on in, man.
Go
I'm talking like an idiot.
Go on in. I bet when things
Go on
happen, you have to
in.
tell us sorry. Go on in.
Hurry up.
Open the door and go on in. Not to go on
Sit
about
down,
business.
pussy head, no man. Go on in my house.
Go on, you're afraid of man. You get and see you just beat him up, you're afraid of him again. Now, you're a bad girl up here, son. Jesus Christ, you know
Me
what?
a go
So where you
home.
go sleep tonight?
Me a
Pass
go
me
home. Me a go home.
Where you go home? How
Me
will
a
you left
go
you up
in.
here? Where you go
Me a
sleep?
go, no lucky.
Me a go in.
Where you go sleep? Which one?
Me a go in. Me a bad girl.
You go on in now.
Yes.
Go on in, mommy, go on in, you idiot.
Guess why the man are treating
I said, everybody beat you.
because you act like a clown.
Me know me a fresh
Come on,
me
auntie,
So
just
go on
fine.
inside and
If you
stop
not
coming
going
when
there-
you go on like your body and you're not
Auntie,
going. Coward.
if you not going there, the man will come out of him.
No, me a
Come
go
on.
in the man. Me bad.
You know what? Come on.
Yeah, yeah.
Also, I tap the black eye
Use
idiot.
that.
Yeah,
Why not
yeah.
tap the black eye idiot?
Hold it.
Me I use them.
He can't do nothing.
Yeah.
What me
And
say?
the woman in
Yeah.
the house, man, tap the black eye
You
idiot.
not
Yeah, yeah.
Beat him like him beat, I will come back again, you
Let
know.
me tell you something.
Mm-hmm.
You see, when you dey sleep, just piss in the chimney. But don't make it make no noise, you know, take time and people in there. Piss in the chimney and put you on the bed. And so when you get up in the morning, when you come to fight you, just say, hey boy, I'm tired of you. I'm tired of you. Whop, whop, whop.
Yeah.
Dash
Right.
this pan him and
Whop,
run
whop.
come straight down on me and he can't come down there.
Go on
Alright,
in.
me a go in.
Go on
But
in,
remember
man.
to put on 2 lick pan him, you know.
Yeah, right. I
Go
want
on
them,
in.
man.
Dash, what me say if you dash pan him?
Peace.
What you mean? So when you,
Overnight
from when you
one.
go piss,
Overnight.
from tonight,
Yeah, yeah.
and don't make him know say no piss in the chimney because out the door him piss at night time.
Come on, shake. I'm an idiot. Come on.
Stand up here, act like you're a fool and make man
Yeah.
they clone
He
you.
not lick me again. Me a kill him.
Can't lick you again.
Can't lick me
Ain't
again.
he lick you again, you know? That she
Yeah,
piss pan
me-
him, beat him with that and run come down on me yard.
Yeah, me a bad
Yes,
girl.
Any come down there, you know what we do with it.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Go on in your body. Come.
Don't come near me. Don't come. Don't come. Bye.
Oh God have mercy. Woo. Can't believe from morning, no breakfast. Eh?
Me not cook like
Half
that
a year,
food.
people them come here come fight me off. Eh? Eh? Yeah man, smile. Remember sitting there now, you know, to protect you, you know.
Protect me from what? Protect me from what? You can't lick me again, my sister. Me auntie tell me that.
Your
You
auntie
can't
tell you
touch
that. So we can't tell them.
No.
Off a roof yonder.
For me.
Your days are coming now.
You know,
Your
with this.
days are coming.
With this. Man, you what then turn back man, you.
Turn back on. Never,
I true you don't know enough.
never. Listen, my milk
But
in
I
your
was-
face. My milk in your face. Have manners.
You can't.
You can't diss me. I can't talk
Me
about.
tired of you do this now. You cannot do me nothing. Nothing you can't do me. Me auntie say, me fi stiff up and me fi muscle up on you.
Eh,
And that me I do. Don't put a hand on me anymore. As for today on, no more. No more.
Your auntie never tell you say you go look like a bullfrog when bullfrog ready for
Me
jump.
no business. Touch me now. Touch me.
I don't touch you today.
Right. You can't do it because your sister me brave up. That.
Which one you brave up?
Me brave up. You can't do me nothing.
What so?
What we swore.
For you. You don't understand what going on in this world there. You only just a puff and a huff.
Me not puff and I huff nothing. Me tired of you beat me.
Baby dinosaur, sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Eh? What me say to you, say? Sit down. Can you think of huff and puff to this? Eh? You think I chill little hold this where huff and puff and blood on the pig house? Now follow that the book there. The book all told in an idiot. And tell me about cow jump over moon. Put one cow out this and tell me jump over the moon. He never.
I know me don't pick up one man like you.
The best man ever get in your life.
That you tell me, but God help me here and realize say me can get better man. Cause from me start the TikTok, me realize say better man the funny.
Anybody
They
with
text
a
me and
fancy
tell
can
me.
have
They text me and tell me all type of story too.
Yeah.
So we soon left you for better man.
You soon do it? You soon do it? You soon do it? You soon know. You ever get a pit box yet? Eh? You ever get a pit box yet? See you soon know. You're not around putting me here. You're around putting me. You're around putting me. I should have you make the coffee, but I say go. Boy, oh boy. I'm gonna find a good woman.
I'm gonna find a better man.
I beat him and beat you again? You beat you again?
You lick me. You don't do it.
So you never lick you? Where do you puff up and you stick your wine?
Yeah, but in backside of me, so I sit down.
Oh, I sure didn't do it good.
A foolishness, do not tell me if you do.
What foolishness?
Foolishness.
Me tell you that or auntie tell you
It
that?
no matter who.
Auntie tell you that.
You man kill me.
I better say never do the bull cow style. You want to ring up anything? Say they do that? And that's why. How?
How they here?
Auntie, but unfortunately, she go overseas. She fly out, so she give me a little money and take it under my head. She go fly because she tired of the boat house. So she go look better life. So that means say now you have to stand up and be a woman and be a mother because I am moving back, but I can't move in here, so I can't take you on your crosses, man.
So where me have to go? Where me have to go?
I don't know. The crosses man there now. Him know he love beat and me can't fight. Money pretend to me can't fight.
So you coulda make him man murder me then?
No, you won't murder you. You see it and I'm not saying you're not doing good thing. Auntie can't fight. Auntie never do. No, no bad. I pretend when I pretend they can when I jeep up a boy so and grab him and just tough up and just hoop so man. You can't know. I just give one of the bad cartel box them.
What
one
if he decide to give you one of the bad cartel box and man shake and cause he left me with him?
With a dog.
Mm-hmm.
With a dog.
Yeah man,
No,
wicked.
No, so if the box of my dog so auntie grab him. I'm afraid of auntie more.
Kayla, I don't know where I got on. But me can't.
No, you don't go put out the man. Put out the man. You must carry that man.
And me, you want him to come strangle and deal with bad?
I say that sense. I say turn up on the man and do what auntie say.
Me do it already and he nearly box me down a while ago. You think me gonna take the chance again if he come box me down?
Ashena, do you know me? You fool like. Say no money can't give me.
Money, I tell him I had dollar. But, more you go buy the lot of me. And listen to me,
why, mommy,
just listen.
Me and listen, mommy, if you will have me ears,
You
you can't
see,
listen.
if you use the money at this time, Kayla,
Mommy, oi. Yeah,
you want we have something. Me access you want we have
Jesus,
something.
mommy, we can't hear what you will have on the ears, you can't hear nothing.
Tapping eyes and listen.
No, if you will have on the ears, okay.
Tapping eyes.
God.
Tapping eyes and
Let go the ears,
listen to me. Because
Shut
me no
up.
want to fall on deaf ears.
Yes, let it go. Let go
Kayla,
the ears so me can't take in everything. Calm.
I want money me have. Do not spend the money on your gut. Buy the number can me get a straight dream and me believe say it will come true. So do buy the number then for me. Cause last day this me a last chance me have. You see if me get through with this, with two we alright. Plus you add, hey little girl.
He art. Give me the money.
What do
No,
you-
give me the money, man.
Yo,
Give me the money. You can't beat me. After you can't beat them, man. Give me the money. Come better than you.
use that buy 6 number for a lot for me. More you buy 5, 9, 8, 7, 3, and 5. Yeah.
Yeah.
In the order there. 5 supposed to any. 5 supposed to start it. You hear me say?
Yeah.
Kabaki today. We want to see you back today. Carry back today.
Me don't care back to them. I chat too much more.
Don't and talk to me. Hey.
Fling and lick me. Me call him and make man come box your back.
For yourself. By that time.
Yeah, man. Babes, don't worry, man. I'll put out that, man. You must be mad. I'm moving, you know. You're straight Barbie doll. Yes. I tell you. Your mama get the right problem, man. Don't worry, head, man. Cause she not worth staying here. And I can talk to me about in auntie I go foreign and daughter I go live here. That can't happen under my aunt. Me no want that here anymore. And you I go live here. You. Yes. Alright. Me call out him. Alright, love you. Make sure you give me the front, yeah? Hey, big so-and-so, come here. Yo!
Yes.
Don't be upset. Don't be upset. Come here. Come here. I have something,
Give me a big news.
I have something to tell you. I have to tell you first before you tell me anything. Right now. I'm tired of your big worthless self in here. Nah, do everything good. Nah, contribute to nothing. You know, right now, my woman, me just come off on phone with my new woman. Me I replace you. Me I put you out. Me no want you here.
Put me out of where?
Out of house.
For me house.
Listen to me.
For me house. Yeah, put me out of.
Listen to me. You look a broke down house. I don't business.
For me place, yeah, go put me
Remember
out
say
of.
me live here long enough.
Yeah, go put me out of my place. And that I come home for?
You be tired of you. Me no want me
Boy.
no want you no more. Me no want you no
You
more.
sure you know what I mean? I'm sure.
Me no want you. Me done with you. Me find a new Barbie doll. Nice, elegant, sweetheart. Girl know if you dress, know if you do her nails, and know if you cook. You not do nothing. You just sit down there with a big bumbo right here so at the time. Nah, do nothing. I know you tell me say your daughter have to come moving. Move in your backside. Me a move out then. Since I did not move out. By law, half of the house belongs to me. You know that? Because we're there how much years now with you. With you. Sit down. I feed you. And you know cook.
You know what? Enough.
Enough of what?
Enough.
Listen to
Me
me.
not fear you no more, no. Cause you say I move on. And everything. So I not fear nothing.
Yeah. Because you know nothing to contribute. More
You
than
know
another.
say, yesterday, I send my daughter go buy a lotto ticket. Right?
Sure.
And
Well,
Sure,
I have
what?
crosses and problem and stress.
we are crosses.
What do you mean? What whole bungalow? No?
We get the dream and the dream walks straight, you know.
That's it. No problem,
Lovely.
dear. Today I cut look a big growth.
Enough is enough. No.
Uh-huh.
Enough is enough. Yes.
She have money. She can
She have
buy me
money.
burger.
How much money she have? How much? How much money she have? Since that's so easy to buy out. How much money she have? Eh?
Hello. Me no want you look up.
No. Stay with she. Me no want your little no more. Stand with she.
No.
I want you pack up every piece of your dry goods, them. Your underpants them with the hole in the crotches. Your shirt them will tear up. Your pants will waste nano lining. And take yourself out of my house. Yeah.
I'm prank.
A prank?
A prank.
A prank?
A prank, baby. A
When you
prank.
come, the first thing
A
you do
prank,
not
baby.
tell you. Do not touch me. No come cross the border. You beat me go. You beat me come.
Alright.
And only thing you did I chat say, me worthless, me big, me worthless, me this, me that. And I know you want me to look for you or somebody.
No.
Please do me a favor. Me I go sit down there so. And I want you pick out your little basket where in there with your clothes them. And take yourself out of my house.
What I do, me love?
Love. Go sell that. Me no want it. You just did love she. You mean I can't kick him out of my one place, you know? And same time, me had that line and me name, you that dash me from the road.
No, that's what I tell you.
Huh?
A prank.
A prank?
A prank, baby.
Do not-
Ah, yeah. Me,
No touch me, you know?
me not to go and work.
Go take your things them out of my house. And that me say.
But hear me
Okay,
now. Hear
okay,
me
so you
now.
play stubborn. You play stubborn.
You know,
I fear Dave, you play stubborn.
you know, hear me, old man. Tell you, don't hear me now.
Good afternoon, officer. Yes. I have a
alright,
delinquent here. We need to
Yeah,
leave
wait.
my premises right now.
Me a go, me a pack up my bag. Me a pack up my bag.
Get out of my house. piece of them.
Huh?
Not touch them.
Why?
Me no want you touch them. Me ship them go again. Come out of my place. Out. Come out.
Baby.
Come out.
Baby.
Come out.
Look who-
Come out. Better you're there. And bright as a left. As you leave, somebody will be here for replace you.
I am money.
You're a replacement. Boy, a long time I talk to him before. Me even win nothing. Papi show. Leave.
I'm from sitting down with the big jars.
Left.
I'm from the
Left.
wash jars, them big old
Rubbish.
panty
Me
them.
wash, cook, clean, all the thing you do a beat me. Beat me go, beat me come. I make it seem like a something pretty I do. Left! Better you're there. Nonsense.
Sitting in the basement apartment I rented with you. Remembering the holiday party we had with the crew. Romeo was roaming the garden. Saturday was spent in a parking lot. Gave it all we got. It was so with you. Following the leader down 8th Street to get what we can. Crawl up the walls, make a few calls to the man. Promising the prominent angle. Find the square feet of the triangular man who always had the land. You What's new? You and me.